Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to explain what we mean by content optimization. Content optimization is the process of improving the quality and relevance of your website's content so that it ranks higher in search engine results pages. It is an important part of any SEO strategy. What are the benefits of content optimization? Improved search engine ranking. Content optimization can help improve your website's ranking in search engine result pages, leading to more traffic and leads. Increased website traffic. When your website ranks higher in search engine result pages, it is more likely to be seen by potential visitors, leading to increased traffic. Improved website conversion rate. Content optimization can help improve your website's conversion rate, which is the percentage of visitors who take a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Increased website authority. Content optimization can help improve your website's authority, which measures how trustworthy and reputable your website is. Improve user experience. Content optimization can help improve the user experience on your website, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. What are the most important content optimization factors? Keyword research. The first step to content optimization is to conduct keyword research to identify the keywords people are likely to search for when looking for information on your topic. Content creation. Once you have identified your target keywords, you need to create content that is relevant to those keywords. This means writing content that is informative, engaging, and well-written. Content promotion. Once you have created your content, you need to promote it so people can find it. This can be done through various channels like social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. By optimizing your website's content for these factors, you can improve its ranking in SERPs and attract more visitors. Here are some additional tips for content optimization. Use relevant keywords throughout your content. When writing your content, be sure to use your target keywords throughout the text. You can also use synonyms and related keywords to improve your content's ranking further. Create high-quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and well-written. It should also be unique and original. Get backlinks from other high-quality websites. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website. They are a valuable ranking factor in search engines. You can get backlinks by guest blogging, participating in forums, and submitting your website to directories. Keep your content up to date. Your content should be updated regularly with new information. This will help keep your website fresh and relevant in search engines. Following these tips can improve your website's content optimization and attract more visitors. In the upcoming weeks, I will publish videos about content optimization elements and explain each best practice with tips about the best way to do it. If you want to learn content optimization, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.